As the name implies, Cascade Quad Lounge features benches in all four corners. This is the simplest and most versatile use of space of all our configurations. Quad Lounge gives max options for seating, lounging, storage, and even weight distribution throughout the boat. Cascade Platinum Quad Lounge comes with an Ensign 2 fiberglass helm stand with a soft-touch black recessed dash featuring a TAC, voltmeter, fuel gauges, GPS, speedometer, Garmin 5CV, a color fish finder and depth finder, Fusion RA670 stereo, and plenty of USB inputs and charge ports. Who could ask for anything more? Catalina Platinum Quad Lounge is, simply put, versatile luxury. Cascade Platinum highlight features include a Gold Plus stereo system featuring high-power Fusion stereo, 6 speakers, and subwoofer. A built-in color fish finder, depth sounder, and chart plotter. A GPS speedometer. Ultrafine touch 5000 series seating. Two-tone external smooth heavy-duty wall panels. Premium lighted deco built-in dock lights. And Pontoon side protector keels.